Do you have a parental message in early childhood, 18 to 36 months, to be strong? Be strong. I have a be strong message from my parent. This is a message from your parents and an intuition in your early childhood to set your mind courageously. Go ahead, what you have decided. Don't give up. If you give up these intuitions, you will never succeed in life. Hello, welcome to my video on driver behavior 5. Be strong. Please spare 5 minutes to watch this video to get all information I have got for you. I thank my 3,539 viewers, 46.6% from India, 6.8% from US and 46.6% from other countries. I also thank 345 subscribers. Well friends, every parent wants their children to be socially functional and be successful in life, and also to become a leadership in society and in organization. But do not give guidance to develop psychologically. My videos are for personality development, psychological development, to avoid personality disorders. So please spare time and watch my 5 videos on psychological development stage 1 to 5. More important is first stage during 0 to 18 months, breastfeeding stage. Trust and faith in God and people around you, because your intuition from God to trust God and others is to be implemented. Only if you have trust and God in people around you, you will be able to develop the remaining psychological development and become successful. Don't get discouraged by people with negative mind. You have to be careful to the messages that you get. Don't try. You may not succeed. It is very difficult. Don't try and fail. So don't. If somebody gives this kind of message, please get away from them. Let's see what mentally strong people show the symptoms. They balance their emotions with logic. Whenever they have emotion, balance it with logic and regulate your emotions. Choose proactive behaviors. Whenever you have a stimulus, see how best you can have a problem solving approach. Feel confident about your ability. We all are unique. Don't compare or don't allow others to compare and give advice to you. You go by intuition from your child and face fears that you hold back. You know friends, there is nobody who don't have fear. But the competent and capable person is to manage your fear like you manage your emotions. Learn from mistakes and so on. Beware that you don't yell and become angry. Most of the situation you go to your child days and become emotional, get stressed and get angry with people, find fault with others. Don't do that. Apologize whenever necessary. Don't feel inferior to apologize. You have to have courage to apologize if you think you have made a mistake. And the last but not the least, don't expect anything from others, maybe in return for what you did or what you deserve. Hope you have liked my video. If you are not so far subscribe my video, like it, comment it, share with your friends who have got children 0 to 19 years and who want to develop their personality for change and growth. For personality development, learn transactional analysis, dual concept. There are 4 analyses: your personality analysis, communication analysis, your life script analysis, and psychological games that you may be playing. Please call me on mobile number 9822876170. Well friends, I have scheduled a online session TA for organization development. I am having a free session under the platform of IAI at 5:30 on Tuesday 20th. So if you want to watch this knowledge sharing session free, please send me a message immediately after watching. My paid session is during November 25th to 26th, 4 days, 5:30 to 7:30. So please send me a message so that I can send you details. Thank you.